In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI message limit reached. If you're seeing that message, it simply means you've hit the current cap on how many prompts you can send within a given time window. The good news is this is usually temporary and easy to resolve. Start by opening the Grok website so you're signed in and can see your chat interface. Having the app or site open helps you confirm where you left off and what the service is telling you about your usage. The most important fix is to wait. Grok's message limits reset automatically on a rolling window. In most cases, you'll see your allowance refresh within 1 to 2 hours. During heavy usage across the platform, it can take a bit longer. A rolling window means your quota replenishes over time based on when each message was sent, rather than resetting at a single moment each day. So even without doing anything, capacity gradually returns. You don't need to keep the tab open for this to work. Just give it time and come back later. Avoid repeatedly sending new prompts while you're waiting, because each send can count toward the window and extend how long you have to wait. If, after a reasonable wait, the limit notice still appears, look to the bottom left of the interface and click the profile icon. That opens your account menu. From there, choose Sign Out, then Log In again. This refreshes your session and forces the service to pull the latest quota status from the server. It's a quick way to clear up any display or token mismatch that might make it look like you're still at the cap. Be sure to sign back into the same account so your usage history is accurate. If you find yourself regularly running into the limit because your projects are growing, click Upgrade Plan. That will take you to the plan options, where higher tiers typically offer larger or faster resetting message allowances. Review the plan details so you understand any differences in limits and features before making a change. Upgrading is optional, but it's the straightforward path if your workload consistently exceeds the current cap. To recap, open Grok, wait for the automatic rolling reset, refresh your session by signing out and back in if the notice lingers, and consider upgrading if you frequently hit the ceiling. Most of the time, patience solves it, and a quick session refresh ensures the interface reflects your updated quota. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to your conversations without interruption.